symphony of power, elegance, and timeless American engineering. The 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 stands as an enduring legend in the world of classic automobiles. A car that effortlessly blended luxury with performance, it symbolized an era when style was bold and engines roared with authority. Before exploring the fascinating history, stunning design, and enduring legacy of this remarkable machine, join our passionate community, where automotive icons are celebrated, preserved and admired, emerging as a dominant force in Oldsmobile's lineup. The Delta 88 underwent a significant transformation in 1967. Its sculpted body lines, aggressive front grille, and signature stacked headlights gave it an unmistakable road presence. Built on GM's B-body platform, this model showcased a refined yet muscular stance, offering both elegance and power in perfect harmony. The sleek hardtop design, coupled with chrome accents, emphasized the car's premium appeal, making it one of the most desirable full-size sedans of its time. Beneath the hood, the 1967 Delta 88 was powered by the legendary 1425 cubic inch Super Rocket V8, producing up to 375 horsepower in the top-tier versions. This powerhouse, paired with a smooth-shifting turbo-hydromatic transmission, delivered an effortless yet thrilling driving experience. A refined suspension system provided a comfortable ride, making it a favorite among those who sought both power and luxury in a single package. Inside, the Delta 88 was a showcase of mid-century American craftsmanship. Plush bench seats, a wraparound dash with wood grain accents, and an elegantly designed steering wheel made the interior feel like a first-class lounge on wheels. Innovative features like power windows, air conditioning, and a push-button AM/FM radio added to its appeal, ensuring both driver and passengers enjoyed the ride in style. Today, the 1967 Oldsmobile Delta 88 remains a prized collectible. Restored models in excellent condition range in value from $25,000 to $50,000, depending on originality and modifications. Enthusiasts often modernize them with upgraded suspension, fuel injection systems, and custom interiors, seamlessly blending vintage charm with contemporary performance. More than just a classic, the Delta 88 is a symbol of an era when cars were built to be bold, powerful, and unforgettable. Whether admired for its sleek design, cherished for its engineering, or driven for the sheer thrill it offers, this Oldsmobile remains a testament to the golden age of American automobiles. Join us as we dive deeper into the world of legendary classics. Stay connected for exclusive insights, in-depth restorations, and expert takes on the greatest cars ever built. Be part of our journey where history meets horsepower and legends live on.